So guys, I've made some changes to the garden, my city food forest. So the containers that were here with my fruit trees, they are no longer here. I moved them to the back. Welcome and welcome back to another Gardening with Stacey. Thank you all so much as always for tuning in. I always say that, right? Alright, so to all my new gardening family, welcome on board. I appreciate you coming along on this beautiful journey with us who are already here. My faithfulers, big up to you all the time. My channel members, mwah, mwah, mwah. Love all our owners. Alright, I appreciate you one and all, and God bless you all. A heartfelt thank you to all of you. You have taken me to 9,000 subscribers. Yeah, you. I so appreciate you guys. Thank you all so much. The other day, 3 weeks ago, I was at 8,000 subscribers in 3 weeks. 3 weeks. That's what you guys did. You took me to 9,000 subscribers. So 1,000. Ooh. 1,000 of you came on board. I sincerely appreciate you all. God bless you all. So my garden is literally exploding. When I say look at these callaloo that we recently planted. Look at them. These are cow tongue callaloo. Yeah, they're looking amazing. And a lot of stuff happening in the garden, guys. I'm going to show you like the highlights because I can't remember everything right now, but I just wanted to give you a little run through. I have tomato coming out right here, and I have watermelon, guys. Woo! Look at that ugly thing on my watermelon. Shoo. Alright, there's another Tabita watermelon inside here. So where it is? Oh yeah, me and my son discovered that when watering yesterday. And there's another watermelon, see down there or around here. You can see it. Hold on. There we go. I'm sure there are more in there, but those things inside there are not looking with my bare hands at all. Corn's coming in. Guys, look at here. I am getting sweet sap. This tree is supposed to be a custard apple, you know. So I am happy and I am not so happy. Well, I'm happy. I'm not going to lie. I know I wanted custard apple, but sweet sap is quite fine. Look at that, baby. And there are more on there, but I'm not going to search right now. Because those little people are close by. The lizards. So, onion pushing through right there. And what else I wanted to show you? Oh, broccoli coming in. There you. And eggplants coming in with stink bugs. And guys, look at here. Look what's coming in. Look what's coming in. I know you all are happy for me. I know you are. I can feel it to my bone. Yeah. So What else? I need to show you some of that stuff, you know. Oh Lord, they're not coming to mine. I have cucumber coming in. Boy, that one looks scary though. Look at it, guys. Take a good look. Looks scary, don't it? Alright, so I have more over there. If my son was here and heard me laugh like that, he'll say, Mommy, you're such a girl. Oh my God. Look at my pumpkin right here. And I kid you not, I see where it soon put out pumpkin to be pollinated. And talk about my cayenne pepper. So I tried to grow it last year and I wasn't successful. Miss Patricia gave me these seeds and look at here, cayenne peppers. Look nicely, they grow so quickly. Yeah. Whew. What else I wanted to show you guys? You remember these babies that we recently harvested from about 3 weeks ago? I took the outer leaves. Look what's happening. They're blowing up like crazy. Yeah, and I'm loving it. Oh, my hot topic. How could I pass you by? Making nice progress. My banana in 5-gallon bucket. And look at these babies. They are showing out and showing off. I'm telling you. Hello. So I have more things to show you, but the brain is so tired, like it's not coming to mind right now. So yeah, the changes was I bring this right here and these on the ground. I put them further up, closer. So I took them closer to these containers, and then what I did was move these forward as well, so they were around to the back right there. So I pulled them closer to here, and yeah, my fruit trees, their new location. All right. Also, I moved my grapevine. They were right here. Those 3 buckets were right here, and I put them over there. So that's that for there. So what I'm going to put right here is maybe 2 beds or some containers. I'm not sure yet. I want to grow as much as I can, right? Yeah. Look how my gungo or pigeon peas. Oh, I need to stake up this. Look how they just blow up. Look at them. They just blow up. Up, up, up. And my Otaite apple tree, this baby is just pushing out leaves like crazy. And my avocado tree is doing very well. Remember at one point I was wondering what is going to happen to it. Yeah, I didn't think I was going to lose it because I was having faith in it to say that it will bounce back, and it is doing extremely well. I think I saw, yeah, cantaloupe coming in. I hope they were pollinated. See one here? I'm going to pollinate this baby in case it never get pollinated. So I'm going to take off this. Well, I can't do it now. When I put on the camera. So I'm going to pollinate it. This one. I think I had attempted this and that one. So I'm going to do them again. Oh, speak about my June plum tree. Lord, this baby is showing up and showing off. I'm telling you, a lot of June plums to come. A lot of June plums. It is doing so well. It has been doing well ever since I planted this baby. Always see me chit-chatting with you guys. I'm still trying to remember what else I need to show you. And I'm just giving you a run through. So corns, look at those. Soon we'll harvest corns together. Soon we'll harvest a lot of things together. Yeah. So this is what the garden looks like as of today. Today is when? Today is Wednesday, so today is May 7th. Yeah. So as time goes by, you will be updated with the changes, the additions, the this, the that's, the ray, the tay. Alright, I appreciate you all. I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Until next time, walk.
Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam.